If you have a lot of sheets in your workbook, switching between sheets can get pretty tedious because you have to click these little scroll arrows in the lower left corner to move through all of the tabs until you find the one that you want. But there's a faster way to do this, and it actually uses those same scroll arrows. All you have to do is right-click on or near these arrows, and it will give you a list of every sheet in your workbook. Then you can just double-click the sheet that you want, and you'll jump to that sheet. One thing I like about this method is that the sheet names are listed vertically and without any extra clutter, which makes it really easy to skim through the list and find what you want. So not only is this a really fast method, in my opinion, it's also just a little bit more pleasant than scrolling through all of the tabs.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.